Okay, so bonus video time. Here we go. Alright, so what do I play? Well, like, what kind of picks do I have? I don't know. One of those. But what are those? That's a Jazz 3 pick. Okay, Jazz 3. Do I play Jazz? No. But it's a 1.5, and that seems to be the thickness that I like. Here is another Jazz 3. Oh, check it out. Look at that. Little bit of wear and tear, slight bit. Still new. Probably has about 35 minutes of wear on it. Jazz 3. And guess what? I waited in line for hours for this autograph. It's Kirk Hammett. It's actually his signature pick. It's embossed, his autograph. Waited forever. If you believe that, there's no hope for you. And this is a John Petrucci. I pretty much exclusively use this only for my Music Man guitar. Only because, why not? It's a signature pick. John Petrucci. That's also a 1.5. And then we have Ernie Ball Prodigy. Hey, check it out. It's a 1.5. I only play with 1.5. It seems to be the most comfortable and the best for me. I get attack with each one. Each pick has a different tone. Each pick has a different tone. Alright? This is a thicker tone. If you want bass, I would pick this. If I want kind of a trebly bass, I guess in the middle, I would go with that. Maybe, no, I think it's more high-end, actually. It's more treble with that. My favorite, the John Petrucci one, that is best of both worlds. That is actually all three. There's lows, mids, and highs. Each pick basically has like an EQ to it. They all do. All picks sound different. If anyone tells you different, they full of shit, motherfucker. They full of shit. So here's a 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. That's what I play with. Okay.